Are you looking for a way to control who can reply to your Instagram stories? In this video, I will show you how to turn on or off replies to your stories in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap where it says Privacy. After that, tap where it says Story. So now under Replying, it says Allow Message Replies. Choose who can reply to your story. Right now it is set to everyone, which means that anyone who watches your story can reply to it. If you also have this set to everyone, you can change it to either people you follow, which means only the people that you follow will be able to reply to your Instagram story, or you can tap where it says Off, and it will completely disable the ability to reply to your stories on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.